Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Lara's All in All. Hope your sound doing good. Glory be to God. I want to show you how to do sponge cake, and these are the ingredients. I'm using 500 grams I'm doing 500 grams of flour. So join me in the kitchen to show you some of the ingredients I use for my sponge cake. Okay, so here is our mixture of butter and the sugar. So take a look. It must be like this, floppy. It must be like this for you to get the spongy cake. So this one is in here is just the butter and the sugar. So the next step we are going to take is I will whisk the yolk. Because I separated the yolk. It's 8 eggs. Remember our ingredients. 8 eggs. I'm whisking this. Like so. I'm whisking it. Then I'm pouring into it. Like so. Then we on it to like not too high speed. If it's too high, it will splash. So the next thing we will do, why is missing, the next thing I'd like us to do is we are sifting the flour. This cup is 4 cups I use in this flour. So I'm sifting it. Okay guys, I'll let this to mix for a while, then I will add the milk. Thank you. So I'm about putting the tablespoon. This is a concentrated milk. So here is the result of the yolk and the flour and every other thing I added to it. Just like this, we use this wooden spoon to turn it before this one is ready, just like that. So this is the album of the egg. Remember we use the yolk in that one. So I'm using one, just putting this. Then I'm using a cup. Remember I said it's 2 cups of sugar we're using. We used 1 for this. Then we switch this. This is to mix this, and this is for. So we switch. Then I'll like to be mixing. Just putting this. Then I'm using a cup. Remember I said it's 2 cups of sugar we are using. We used 1 for this. Then we switch this. This is to mix this, and this is for. So we switch. Then I'll like to be mixing. So what I do next is to take my cup, a cup As you can see, this is how it's supposed to be. It will not fall at all. You can still use this as in, you see the way it is, like this. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. The way it is, like this. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Floppy cake, moist and soft, like this. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. I'm taking it little by little. I'm just folding my cloth, not to fall into it. Hello, welcome back to my channel, Lara All in All. Remember yesterday we made a cake, and this is the result of the cake, as you can see. So I'm just taking the up one for you to see how the cake is. You can see soft and moist. But before we go into the segment of the cake, I want to do the pre-covering of the cake before the fondant or the icing. I prefer to use the whipped cream. This is the whipped cream I'm using, 500 grams. So I'm using another system today, which is I put it in the deep freezer to defrozen a little bit, instead of me putting this in the deep freezer to get cold. So I just insert it like so. As you can see, how it is. That's to be like this. So I'm putting all together like so. So the next thing I'm going to do, I will leave this to whip. Remember that the whipping cream is not that stable, so I don't want it to run if I use it in the middle of the cake or to ice the cake. But I'm just going to do something different. So in this place, you can use your professional sugar, which is the icing sugar. But in this very one, I would like to use this. I'll be using the gelatin. You can use the powdered one. For this, what I have and I've seen in my area, 500 grams. I'm using warm water so I can mix with it. So just watch and see the procedure. So in here, this is how it is, just like so. I will just bend it like this, just like this. Then I will be having the warm water, little, don't let it be too much, just like so. Then you go down by itself. Gelatin, that would be like this, not too watery. Just before you whip a little bit before you start adding. I'm doing this because I don't want it to get melt or to get runny when you add it to it. So this one will a little bit adding it. So we pour it little by little, just like so. So we are done with it, so just wait for a few minutes.